Another guide for iPhone 7 owners. This time we have a phone that has stopped turning on. When it is connected to the charger, there is no reaction at all. We check the battery voltage. As you can see, the meter indicates 0, so the battery is completely discharged. We will now use the laboratory power supply to charge the battery. Connect plus and minus according to the diagram. The multimeter now indicates over 3 volts. It should be enough for the phone to get up. We connect the display and see if the phone comes back to life. It looks like everything is okay. Thanks for watching.